know that you can get up to 555% APR on Bybit Earn?
Wow!
Yes, you heard that right, and that is exactly what I want to show you in this video. So in this video, we are going to look at what Bybit Earn product is, okay, and how to leverage on all the different products that Bybit Earn product offers. All right, and then I'm going to show you how to get up to 555% APR on the Bybit Earn, and above all, I'll be showing you how to get free 5 USDT using the Bybit Earn product. Make sure that you see this video to the end to be able to get access to all of these benefits. Now, what is Bybit Earn? Bybit Earn is actually a product on Bybit Exchange that allows you to manage and grow your crypto holding asset, right? So if you have any cryptocurrency asset that is sitting idle on your wallet, you don't have any need for it right now, and just let it sitting there without putting it into Bybit Earn, then you are missing a lot. Okay, so with Bybit Earn, you'll be able to stake these tokens and be earning percentage on that, okay, ranging from as low as 1 point something percent to as high as 555% APR. So what this simply means is that if, for instance, you have one BTC, right, and then you just let it sitting in your wallet, through the Bybit Earn, you can actually double that one BTC by gaining either 1%, 2%, 3% on it, maybe in the next 1 year, or by gaining up to 555% APR on it. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into my Bybit app. Let me show you how to do this. So if you go to your Bybit account, by the way, if you don't have a Bybit account already, the link to sign up for a Bybit account will be in the video description. And equally, there is a bonus link that you can use to earn up to that 555%. Okay, so use that link to create a new Bybit account, then verify your account, and then deposit your crypto asset into it, and follow this step to be able to stake your token using the Bybit Earn. All right, so now on the Bybit app, all we need to do here down at the menus there, you see home, market, trade, and then the Earn tab. Okay, so go ahead and click on the Earn tab. If you click on the Earn tab, it brings you to this interface. Now inside the Bybit Earn, we have different products, okay, like the Bybit savings, the Bybit dual asset, okay, smart leverage, on-chain Earn, wealth management, dual win, discount buy, and then the liquidity mining. But in this video, I'm going to focus on the Bybit savings and how to get up to that 555% APR. Then subsequent videos, we can talk about the dual asset and every other product that you have here and how to use it. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on the Bybit savings option, and once I click on the Bybit savings option, it brings us to this page. And the first thing I want you to take note is here you can see that my auto savings has been enabled. It is on. So what this simply means is that if there is any crypto asset that I'm buying to hold for long, or I don't have any need for it right now, instead of me leaving it sitting in my wallet, I can transfer that into my funding wallet. Now, once Bybit says that this token has been there doing nothing, they will automatically bring it to the Bybit savings option. Okay, so if it is, for instance, MNT, it means that I can be getting up to 2.5%. Okay, if it is USDE, I can get up to 10% APR. All right, and it goes on. Now, if I scroll down right here, okay, you see a lot of tokens. But before we go into some other tokens that you can actually start staking with the Bybit Earn, you can see that we have flexible and then we have fixed. Now, if I go ahead and click on the flexible option, all right, so here you can see all of the flexible savings. All right, flexible meaning if I decide to stake BTC right now, and then maybe by tomorrow I no longer want to stake, I can easily cancel and receive all of my capital in full, okay, plus the little interest that I've made. All right, then if I scroll down here, you can see some of this, like G2, you can get up to 92%. All right, LRC, you can get up to 34%, and it continues to go on. Okay, so with flexible, whatever I stake here, if I decide to cancel the staking tomorrow, I don't have any issue. Okay, I can always get back my money. Then with fixed, all right, on the fixed savings, you can see that some of these fixed savings, for instance, for USDT, we have 60 days, right? We have 180 days. So it means if I have USDT and I decide to stake for 180 days, in the next 180 days, I will not have access to that USDT, right? So I can wait till 180 days, then I'll be getting about 3.96% on that, right? The same thing happens to other tokens that you're seeing here. Some of these tokens, let's check Solana. Solana has 30 days, that's 60 days, okay? Let's check this Axis Infinity. Axis Infinity has only 60 days, okay? And all of this, ENA has about 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. right? So the higher the duration or the higher the number of days, okay, the higher the amount of the APR that you are going to get. So if I want to stake, for instance, USDT, let's go with that USDT option, and I want to stake USDT for 60 days, I'll go ahead and click on the 60 days option, right? So it brings me to this page right here, and I can go ahead and say I want to stake, let's say 100 USDT. Okay, all right, it says that the minimum staking is 500, so I can go ahead and type 500 right here. Okay, and then if I scroll down here, the estimated total yield for about 60 days or thereabout will be what you are seeing right here. Okay, so I'm going to stake this day, and then the estimated redemption date will be this day, right? So if you are okay with it, just scroll down right here, accept the terms and conditions, and go ahead and click on stake now, and that staking will be done automatically, right? The same thing happens. I'm already staking my MMT token. If I go back to where it says manage coins, okay, so if I click on that manage coins option, you see these are all the tokens that I'm staking with Bybit, and every day, okay, the profit that I'm making on this keep dropping on my account. All right, every day the profit I'm making keep dropping on my account. All right, then if I want to do flexible staking, now the auto savings is only for flexible staking, right? If you want to earn more, that is when you can manually come in here and do the fixed savings for yourself. But the auto savings only work for flexible. So if your token is automatically being saved from your funding wallet to your end wallet, all right, it means that it is on flexible. So here on the flexible, if for instance I want to go with USDT, I can go ahead and click on it, right? Once I click on it, I go ahead and add the amount that I want to stake right here. Okay, so with the flexible staking, I can stake $100. So you can see the minimum is from $100 to as high as about 100 million or so, right? So even if it is $1 I want to stake on the flexible staking, it can go through. It's only the fixed saving that allows you to do from 500 and above, right? So I can go ahead and stake. If for instance I want to stake $100 right here, go ahead and click on it. Okay, and if I want to do auto savings, it means that every time this platform sees USDT on my funding wallet, it automatically transfer it to the savings wallet, right? So I just go ahead and click on that, then I will accept the terms and conditions right here. If I want to allow the auto savings, I will check that on, but let me just leave it off. Okay, so I go ahead and click on stake now. Then the order has been successfully staked. I can go ahead and confirm or go ahead and view the order. All right, for as long as this USDT is here, okay, I'll be getting up to 7.13%. It is APR, annual percentage return. All right, so if I leave it for 1 year, that is exactly what I'll get. But if I decide to cancel it, what Bybit will do is that they will divide this percentage by 365 days, and then they give you your own percentage for what you have staked here, right? So that is how you use the Bybit savings option. Now, how do you get this 555% APR since it is not listed here? You can see my USDT here is saying 7.1%. Now, if I go back to the savings options again, and then I scroll down right here, you see this slider right here. Okay, you see this slider that is showing up here. So if I go ahead and scroll that to the right or so, okay, you see this option right here, okay, that says new user exclusive. Okay, so you can earn up to 555% APR plus 5 USDT. So if I go ahead and click on that, the link for this is in the video description. Okay, just click on it, sign up for an account, right? So this is exclusively for new users, right? This is exclusively for new users. All you just need to do is, if you click on it, you come in here and select USDT and stake, and then you can have access to this from your reward hub. Okay, as a new user, once you create an account, all right, and then you make your deposit, you can get access to this. All you just need to do is to stake your USDT for 3 days. All right, stake your USDT for 3 days, and once you stake it for 3 days, then automatically you will get that 555% APR, right? Then if you now make a deposit using the Bybit P2P, you get additional $5 for doing that. All right, so number one is that you are getting 555% APR, that is annual percentage return on your USDT, and you must be staking at least 100 USDT and above. And if you make your deposit as a new first-time Bybit user using the Bybit P2P, you get additional $5. Okay, $5 is withdrawable. You can use it to do whatever you want. This is not trading rebate. All right, so all you need to do to get access to all of this, to get the $5 plus the 555% APR, is to go and sign up for a Bybit account using the link in the video description. Okay, then make a deposit. If you want to know how to use Bybit P2P, you can join us on Telegram. The link is on my bio or in the video description, or you can check out other videos that I've made, okay, on Bybit P2P, which I'll leave the link to in the video description. So take advantage of this right now. As a new Bybit user, you can get up to 555% APR just using the Bybit Earn for 3 days, and after that you can get additional $5, okay, using the Bybit P2P to make deposit into your account. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button, guys, and if there is anything you don't understand, okay, you can always use the comment section. Now inside the Bybit Earn, if there is any other product you want me to make video on, just let me know in the comment section, and that video will be coming up soon according to your request. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.